Zoe? That's gay. That's gay.
Do this and a bus will come out. A bus! Good job! Can you say beep beep? Say beep beep and maybe the bus will beep. Let's
Anyway,
sing the
guys,
wheels on the bus together.
see here, got me some Taco Bell.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Oh,
Wheels
guys,
on
the way
the
he's
bus
handling
go
that tablet
round
is
and round,
ridiculous.
all through the town.
He wants his website getting
Word
it.
on the bus goes
I got the
beep,
Doritos
beep,
Locos
beep,
Tacos.
beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep,
A grilled
beep,
cheese burrito.
all through the town. The
seasoned beef
wafers on
one,
the bus go
and
swish, 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 swish.
cinnamon
Swish,
twist.
swish, swish, the wafers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
I don't like those cinnamon bomb things. I hate those, but
The doors on
these are
the
top
bus
tier.
go open and shut, open and shut.
Yesterday's my first time having a burrito, the grilled cheese burrito, and man, I tell you, they did not disappoint. They did not. I mean, not. They did not come to play nor disappoint. Because Taco Bell, you guys are so winning with this. Don't ever take this off your menu. Ever. Don't ever take this off your menu. Big my mommy beef bird. And I have a lot of sauce. A lot of sauce. What's wrong?